Welcome back, everyone. In today's video, we'll discuss Intel's massive announcements at their Intel Foundry Direct Connect presentation. We've got the Microsoft deal, we've got 14A, we've got maybe an AMD deal. Let's go. Shamal says to like and subscribe. Let's start with the Microsoft deal. We're going to talk about a groundbreaking partnership between two tech giants, Intel and Microsoft, that sets a revolutionized world of AI. So buckle up and get ready for an exciting ride. Now, in a move that's set to shake up the tech world, Intel and Microsoft had joined forces to create a custom computing chip designed specifically for Microsoft's needs. This new chip, which will be produced by Intel using its cutting-edge 18A process, is expected to be a game changer for AI applications. This is a chip designed by Microsoft, built by Intel. Now, there is far more demand for AI chips than supply, hence, well, this move. So, what does this mean for the future of AI? Well, for starters, this new chip is expected to provide a significant boost in performance and efficiency for AI workloads. It's also a clear indication that both Intel and Microsoft are betting big on the future of AI. This is big news also if you have AMD stock and NVIDIA stock as well. Now, this custom chip is expected to be used for a variety of AI applications, including natural language processing, image recognition, and machine learning. AI. Now, this means that we can expect to see even more advanced AI capabilities in the near future, as well as improved performance and efficiency for existing AI systems. So, what does this mean for the future of AI? With the introduction of this new custom chip, it's clear that we're on the cusp of a new era in AI development. As AI continues to grow and evolve, we can expect to see even more exciting developments in the years to come. Let me know in the comments what you think of this Microsoft news. Shemao, how did you sneak in again? Next, we're going to talk about Intel's 14A architecture, a groundbreaking technology that promises to revolutionize the way we think about computing. Intel's 14A architecture is the company's latest and most advanced process node, designed to deliver unparalleled performance and efficiency. It is a full node beyond the amalgamation of Intel's 20A and 18A process nodes, and it's the first to utilize high-NA UAV technology. In fact, this will be Intel's first processor to use this, manufacturing machine from ASML. Intel has cornered the market on these machines, ordering 6 of the 10 units being produced this year. Now, will this put the pressure on TSMC? We'll see. Now, the 14A architecture is a game changer for the computing world. With this cutting-edge technology, it promises to bring significant improvements in performance, power efficiency, and transistor density. This means faster, more powerful devices that consume less energy, making it a crucial step towards a sustainable future. The 14A architecture is built using high-NA UAV, that's extreme ultraviolet, lithography, which allows it for the creation of smaller and more intricate patterns on silicon wafers. This results in more transistors packed into a smaller area, leading to better performance and energy efficiency. Now, Intel's 14A architecture is set to have a significant impact on the industry, as it will enable the development of more powerful and efficient devices. This will not only benefit end users, but also drive innovation in various sectors, such as AI, machine learning, and data centers. Is this the miracle that Intel needs? Next, we have a very interesting topic to talk about. Intel's surprising announcement that it is willing to make chips for its biggest rivals, including AMD, NVIDIA, Qualcomm, and Google. Yes, you heard that right. Intel, the company that has been competing fiercely with AMD for decades in the CPU market, and more recently with NVIDIA and others in the GPU market, has revealed that its new Foundry business model, Intel Foundry, is open to making chips for anyone who wants them, even if they are direct competitors. This is a huge shift in strategy for Intel, which historically only made chips for its own purposes, but now, under the leadership of CEO Pat Gelsinger, Intel is trying to reinvent itself as a more flexible and customer-oriented company, as well as a leader in advanced chip manufacturing. Intel Foundry is part of Intel's plan to beat its biggest rival. Actually, it's TSMC, the Taiwanese company that currently dominates the chip-making industry. TSMC makes chips for many of Intel's competitors, such as AMD, NVIDIA, Apple, and Qualcomm, currently using more advanced technologies than Intel. Now, Intel has been struggling to catch up with TSMC and has historically faced delays and setbacks in its own chip developments in recent years, such as the shift beyond 14 nanometers. And Pat Gelsinger has put his foot forward that he's going to correct that problem. And so far, so good. But now, Intel says it has a roadmap to surpass TSMC by 2025. Hell, maybe even this year. But Intel is not stopping there. It also wants to attract more customers to its foundry, and it says it's not discriminating about who these customers are. Gelsinger said that he hopes to work with some of the biggest names in tech, including Jensen Huang of NVIDIA, Cristiano Amon of Qualcomm, Sundar Pichai of Google, and even Lisa Su of AMD. He also referred to ARM, the company that designs the architecture for most mobile chips, as Intel's most important customer. And take a note here. He said customer, not competitor. So what does this mean for the future of Intel and the chip industry? Well, it could mean a lot of things. For one, it could mean that Intel is becoming more humble and realistic about its position in the market, and is willing to cooperate with its rivals rather than fight them. It could also mean that Intel is becoming more ambitious and aggressive, and is trying to win over its rivals' customers by offering them better technology and service. It could also mean that Intel is becoming more innovative and visionary, and is trying to create a more sustainable and diverse chip ecosystem that can power the AI era. But it could also mean some challenges and risks for Intel and its customers. For one, it could mean that Intel's own product teams will have to compete harder against rivals that use Intel's chips, and that could create some conflicts of interest and tensions within the company, potentially. It could also mean that Intel's customers will have to trust Intel to deliver on its promises. It could also mean that Intel's customers will have to share their secrets and designs with Intel, and that could potentially expose them to leaks. Now, can Intel deliver the knockout blow to TSMC? Let me know in the comments. Now, how much is Intel worth today? I have my Intel valuation model up on my Patreon. Make sure you check it out for the inside scoop. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.